sunset. But what if we wish for something else? What if we wish for something that could make permanent happiness? Like another cameo? No. I'm more thinking an app that makes people fall in love forever. Totally like as it was. So, the app disappears at sunset, but then both our characters still together. Hans, you're awesome.